Hello friends, welcome to the video book summary of How to Get Rich. One of the world's greatest entrepreneurs shares his secrets by Felix Dennis. I'm Annie, the voice behind this Story Nest video book, a leader, motivational speaker, consultant, and author, driven by an unshakable love for books and storytelling. Over the years, I've empowered countless businesses to discover their unique voice, craft compelling stories, and transform them into unforgettable brands that inspire trust, loyalty, and growth. Why this book matters. Strips wealth building of myths and makes it practical. Execution over ideas, cash over vanity. Shows why failure, persistence, and self-belief are non-negotiable on the way to riches. Exposes the 5 classic startup errors, cash flow delusion, skimping on talent, etc., and how to avoid them. Teaches how to think big, act small, and build systems that create, protect, and grow cash. Shares hard-won rules to stay rich. Invest, impress, release sunk costs, keep learning. Who should listen? Founders, solopreneurs, and side hustlers who want blunt, field-tested advice. Operators and executives responsible for cash flow, hiring, and growth. Ambitious beginners who value execution more than hype. Anyone who's been burned by get rich quick and wants a real playbook. This summary is perfect for listeners seeking actionable takeaways to deploy this week, cash dashboard, hiring, focus. People who prefer no-nonsense narration over theory or motivational fluff. Teams that need a shared operating mindset, execution idea, invest, impress. Creators and freelancers ready to convert skill into scalable income. About the author Felix Dennis, 1947 to 2014, was a British entrepreneur, poet, and publisher who co-founded Dennis Publishing, Maxim, The Week, etc. A self-made multimillionaire, he wrote candidly about how money is actually made through relentless execution, sharp hiring, disciplined cash control, and a refusal to romanticize ideas. His voice is brutally honest, highly practical, and aimed at builders who want results, not slogans. If get rich quick sounds like magic, this is the opposite. No tricks, no hacks, just how wealth is actually made, through decisions, discipline, and a stubborn refusal to quit. Ready to build money like a pro, not a tourist? Let's begin. Part 1. Start before you feel ready. Why this matters. You've wished for a bigger bank balance. You've seen the ads. Here's the simple truth. Anyone can get rich, but not everyone will do the work. Wealth isn't a lottery. It's a process. Harness the fear of failure. Failure feels like a gorilla breathing down your neck. People will warn you off. Some care about you. Others just don't see what you see. Move anyway. Action beats anxiety. Once you take the first step, you're already closer than most. Expect criticism. Build a thin wall. Thick enough to block noise, thin enough to hear wise counsel. If you fail, pivot. I tried. It didn't work. Next play. Regret is heavier than a clean loss. Bottom line, start. Be willing to look wrong. Get up faster than you fall. The great idea trap. A brilliant idea is a nice pair of running shoes. It won't win the race for you. Execution wins. Kroc didn't invent fast food. He standardized, franchised, and scaled it. Startups die trying to be unique, while ignoring ops, pricing, hygiene, distribution, and brand. Don't worship novelty. Engineer repeatability. Part 2. Avoid the 5 classic startup faceplants. 1. Desire without compulsion. Wanting wealth is cheap. Compulsion is the engine, commitment that survives boredom, setbacks, and long Tuesdays. Decide, in or out. No half steps. 2. Cash flow fantasy. You can't outsource awareness of cash. Track inflows, outflows, burn, runway, weekly, yourself. When cash chokes, vision dies. 3. Reinforcing failure. Persistence does not equal stubbornness. Kill what isn't working. Learn, redirect, redeploy. The worst loss is doubling down on a mistake to defend your ego. 4. Thinking small, acting big. Flip it. Think big, act small. Be frugal, keep flexible. Follow rules you set. Listen to the floor. Spend like it's your last good quarter. 5. Skimping on talent. A players. Multiply money. Pay fairly, give autonomy, assign real ownership. Talented people stay where they're trusted, challenged, and credited. 5 Cardinal Virtues for Getting Wealthy. 1. Persistence with edits. Keep going, but change what isn't working. Never ship mediocrity if iteration can fix it. 2. Self-belief. You're singular. If you don't trust your hand on the wheel, no one else will. 3. Instinct, trained. Gut calls improve with reps. Study, ship, review, repeat. Over time, your pattern recognition pays. 4. Diversification. Don't bet the farm forever on one crop. Spread risk across products, markets, and time. 5. Listen and learn. Schedule conversations. Cap them. Extract signals. Ideas come from people, not daydreams. Part 3. The power of focus and the price of losing it. Success is warm. It can seduce you into comfort over growth. Felix started with magazines, got great at them, and nearly missed bigger opportunities. The lesson: love profits more than platforms. Don't marry a medium, marry results. Go where the money is now, not where it used to be. Build an environment that sharpens you: mentors, operators, sharp partners, honest suppliers. Choosing human capital, fast checklist. Hire with a second set of eyes. Bias hides in the mirror. Talk less, note more. Assess for integrity, energy, and ownership. Ask the money question: how will this person help create, protect, or grow cash flow? Part 4. How to stay rich, not just get there. Wealth leaks, fast. Drugs, toys, vanity projects. Felix paid that tuition so you don't have to. Invest, impress. Every big splash costs future optionality. Advisors you trust. One sharp, candid brain beside you is worth a fleet of yes men. Release sunk costs. Money that left is history. Focus on what you can grow today. Loans to friends/family equals gifts. Treat them as non-returning to protect relationships and your peace. Respect people. Rich, not equal right. You didn't do it alone. You won't stay rich alone. Keep learning. Conferences, lunches, hard questions. Remember, rich, not equal smart. Keep earning the right to your seat. Part 5. Field Guide. From zero to cash flowing. The Builder's Loop. 1. Ship a simple thing that solves a paid problem. 2. Tighten ops, costs, speed, quality. 3. Tell the market, distribution cleverness. 4. Collect money, track cash weekly. 5. Improve or kill based on truth, not pride. 6. Repeat, then diversify once you have a base. Weekly operating rhythm. Talk to your audience as you narrate. Monday, cash dashboard, receivables, payables, runway. Tuesday, product.ops improvements with owners and deadlines. Wednesday, sales pipeline and conversion fixes. Thursday, hiring and talent retention. Friday, review failures, lock next week's must-move needles. Daily, 90 to 120 minutes of no distraction money work, the task that moves revenue or margin. Part 6. Closing recap. Start before you feel ready. Action shrinks fear. Ideas are cheap, execution compounds. Dodge the 5 errors: desire without compulsion, cash delusion, reinforcing failure, acting big, underhiring. Practice the virtues: persistence with edits, self-belief, trained instinct, diversification, learn by listening. Protect focus. Go where the money is, don't marry the medium. Stay rich by staying humble, invested, and curious. Ask yourself, what's the one move I can make this week that increases cash flow or stops a leak immediately? Do that. Then the next, then the next. Build steadily, spend wisely, stay hungry. That's how rich stays rich. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Annie, and it's been an absolute joy to bring these words to life for you. May the lessons and stories shared here continue to spark new ideas, guide your path, and inspire your growth. If you found value in this video book, please like, share, and subscribe to Story Nest Video Books, your home for wisdom, inspiration, and powerful storytelling. Until we meet again, stay curious, stay inspired, and never stop learning.